Welcome guys, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how we can turn on this animation on the lock screen when you use your fingerprint sensor. So at the first we have to go for the settings, next we have to tap on the biometrics and the security, go for the fingerprints, you have to input your code, your protection screen, and then you have to simply go here to show animation when unlocking. So click here, and after that when we lock the device and try to unlock, when we put our finger, we will get this look-alike waterfall animation on the screen. So just take a look one more time. So yeah, that's how we can turn it on. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!